Hello viewers, including the students. Mainly this is for students, the communication. This is a book, Leadership Skills by Marilyn for managers. So the topic is today I have chosen a topic which is the leader as power distributor. Power distributor. पावर एक तो अपने आप में सेंट्रलाइज रखता है आदमी और एक पावर को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करता है so that the function is completed without any hassles. It says, unfortunately, in the minds of many people, power has certain negative overtones. लगता है कि power means कोई negative इसमें है. For some, the word connotes a mischievous twist. Power can be bad, yes, but power can also be good. Use wisely. Power, it is said that is absolute power corrupts absolutely. But for the wrong person, if the power is given to that corruption, the corrupt mind will actually destroy, sabotage the organization. This is why to the right person, right power is given. So now there is nothing, no negative about, we are talking about positive. So use wisely. बुद्धिमानी से. Power can translate goals into reality. Whatever your goal is, objective is, so that can become reality because power distribution के through उसको करते हैं या power को utilization properly करते हैं. Used for self-aggrandizement, power may benefit the unscrupulous leader for a short time. कोई भी आदमी unscrupulous वो short time के लिए होगा, but would destroy trust and morale for a long time. If कोई गड़बड़ है तो वो छोटे टाइम पे पकड़ा जाएगा, उसके बाद वो पावर उससे छीन लिया जाएगा. बट लॉन्ग टाइम के लिए अगर वो पावर मिसयूज करेगा तो वो मोरल भी डाउन हो जाता है और डिस्ट्रॉय ट्रस्ट भी डाउन होता है और वो लॉसेस जो होते हैं वो होते हैं. The leader's use of power. Let's understand this. America is a nation that has rebelled against power. We cherish our independence. That is, they are saying, because the writer is American. So it is saying we cherish our independence and resist those who seek to wrest it from us. Our government was established. तो ये लिख रहे हैं. अभी ये अमेरिकन इस पे लिखने के बाद लेटस डिफाइन कर रहे हैं पावर. इसको पढ़ते हैं. पावर डज नॉट फ्लो इनटू टू इनविजिबल पीपल. विजिबल पीपल. As your ideas gain more and more visibility, more and more power will be accorded to you. Ideas की visibility जिसको होती है, जो ideas को clarity के साथ put up करते हैं और people comprehend that you are the right person to be given power, to be empowered, then it happens. How well do you use and share that power? As you begin to rethink your attitudes towards power, consider this form Harvard professor John Kotter ने कहा था. From my own observations, I suspect that a large number of managers, especially the young and well-educated ones, perform significantly below their potential because they do not understand the dynamics of power. Most of the people don't understand the dynamics of power, so they underperform. And because they have not nurtured and developed the instincts needed to effectively acquire and use power, तो वो प्रॉब्लम कर देते हैं. Using this definition of power, the judicious use of influence to get things done through other people. Through other people, उसको abdicate नहीं करना है, उसको delegate करना है authorities, and उसको judicious use. Judicious means सोच समझ कर उसको use करना है. That is the right definition. You should be able to calm your qualms about acquiring and using power. If you don't, according to Kotter, you will probably perform below your potential. So this is why power dynamics says कि right person को right power and right amount of right dose of power देना चाहिए. Wrong persons को power नहीं दें और एब्सोल्यूट पावर करप्ट्स एब्सोल्यूटली, ये भी जानना पड़ेगा। किसी को एब्सोल्यूट पावर 100 टाइम्स नहीं देना चाहिए। इसीलिए ऑलवेज बैलेंसिंग ऑफ पावर के लिए डिस्ट्रिक्ट अथॉरिटीज में हो या सेंट्रल अथॉरिटीज में बैलेंसिंग ऑफ पावर को डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन किया जाता है। प्रेसिडेंट, प्राइम मिनिस्टर, कलेक्टर एंड एसडीएम, पुलिस, एसपी, तो ऐसे करके पावर ऑलवेज बैलेंस किए जाते हैं। तो एब्सोल्यूट पावर करप्ट्स एब्सोल्यूटली। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर लिसनिंग। दिस इज ऑल अबाउट पावर।
ऑफ कैसा होता सर?
नीचे